Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are watching the latest main gate design ideas because selecting one main gate design for your house is not easy task. It's most challenging job. Your entrance gate design will open gates in your personality. For such important element for the house designs, if you want the best, ensure to have the proper dimension of the entrance your home. Think of all purposes if you want to get fulfilled. Elegance and security the sole purpose for your main gate design. Consider the location where the gate going to be installed. Based on the fix to typically serve the function. If you want to smart options, install the automatic home gate design. Make sure that the gate design for home sturdy enough to withstand all climatic conditions. In this video, you have many designs options. You choose that appeal one best one choose for your house. Your main gate design can either make to break whole appearance of your house. It's offered to opportunity to explore various patterns, materials and designs. Your gate design home is opening of premium property. Choose the typology of designs that suits your need. Best goes well, design languages in your type of the house. Modern main gate design can help you stand out the locality and make statement with functionality, elegant aesthetics.
It is very important to understand the main gate or entrance gate to our home. The main gate is first point of contact any person with your property. The main gate can be of several varieties and you may choose the best option depending upon your requirements. But you should definitely make some important decision like choosing the best material, correct design, shape and size for the main gate. You can also need to decide the proper colored security features in your main gate so that it suits your purpose. Choosing the best color for your main gate is almost as important as choosing a right direction for general guidelines while choosing the color of main gate. You should prefer softer shades like silver, white and blue. You should avoid using very dark colors like black, dark blue, dark red, etc. Let's have to look some of favorable colors for the main gate. Good gate design for combination aesthetic functionality, appearance and security. When someone sees gate front of in your house, their first reaction may be what judges gateway, but is that crucial? Thanks to entrance design gates, there's no need to be concerned about kids or animal being. Good gate design may be dramatically boost the value of your property. Much like many other homeowners, from financially standpoint, still makes sense you. Entrance gate designs could be make your property same. Its first may be significant enhance the look of your house. These gates match very property and the sense of style from the traditional and simple designs. Whatever your rustic timber style, some details, the decorative elements and neighbors. When the quality consider an entrance gateway, maybe investment, it's not just only provide unbreakable security, but it should also durable enough to continue, preferring the same level every day from very long time. This involves maintaining in durability over time. When designing a gate, it is essential to take into account several crucial factors including materials, designs and surroundings. Given the design and thoughtfully be more aesthetic pleasing to match home type with the gate. A mismatched gate design in the house may seem cheap and out of the place. So rather than designing